A St. Thomas woman is barely picking up the pieces after a massive fire on Monday. The woman who occupied the house with her son and grandson are now homeless, and they are appealing for help. TVJ's SHEMALA reports.
On Monday, a raging fire. On Friday, 4 days later, debris from the fire. The entire area looks abandoned, like no one had occupied the premises. Michelle Brown, who was living in the house at the time with her son and grandson, is barely picking up the pieces. There is uncertainty about rebuilding, as Miss Brown says she does not know where to begin.
Even right now, I'm a night one night I get a one skirt from my back. But now I have nothing more, everything flame up.
The owner of the house, Beverly DUFFUS, says she rented the house to Miss Brown, and now with the fire, she has lost her only means of income.
We get news that the house is on fire, and right now we need back a house because this is a little saving for me, because we have to pay taxes and whatever, and rent this lady the house and everything gone.
Miss Brown is appealing for help.
All of my things burn up. I need back a house.
Meanwhile, the St. Thomas Fire Station told TVJ News that the investigation into the fire is now complete. However, the firefighters say they are still unable to determine a cause. The house was not insured. It is estimated to have valued $8 million. SHEMALA, TVJ News.